We're in someone's backyard. Notice, the birds are enjoying the yard, but not making a mess of the pool. They say it could be because of the metal bird. Their old metal bird was looking like a dead whale, so we made a new one. And now we can show you how to make one too. To do this, grab a couple of sticks, a pool noodle, some tape, a little string, some aluminum foil, some more aluminum foil, and a knife will be coming in handy. Doesn't have to be a work of art, but you want to use a pool noodle or something very light so that it can twist in the wind. They call it the metal bird. It may work in your garden too.